Turn around. I'm not. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back now.
Joel here with Bodycam Breakdown TV. Today's footage comes from Bodycam Lockdown. If you want to watch the original video without my commentary or breakdown, I'll have the full footage linked below so you can watch it start to finish. By the time we join this traffic stop, it's already taken an unexpected turn. After the driver pulls away before the stop is fully complete, he quickly realizes he left something behind and returns, setting the stage for everything that follows. The breakdown starts now.
Step out of the vehicle. Step out of the vehicle. Step out of the vehicle or you're going to get out. I'm going to pull you out. Get out of the vehicle.
This is the second time.
Give me no vehicle.
That police said I ran the red light. But no fucking...
Get out of the vehicle now.
Did I have my license though?
Driving away before the stop is actually over changes the entire interaction. From the officer's perspective, that raises questions about whether the driver is simply confused or intentionally refusing to comply. So ordering him out of the vehicle is a way to immediately regain control and prevent the situation from becoming even more unpredictable.
Get off the vehicle. I'm not gonna fucking hold it. I'm fucking around.
Put your vehicle in park. Come back over here with me.
This is the second time.
Come over here with me.
This is the second.
At this point, the officer has likely concluded that voluntary compliance isn't going to happen. Once that threshold is reached, the focus shifts from issuing a citation to safely taking control of the encounter.
Turn around. I'm not. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back now. Go off. Go off. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. You really got hit? Put your hands behind your back. You're under arrest now. Stop. For what? Stop. For what? You're under arrest.
Once the driver begins resisting, the officer's priority shifts from making the arrest to safely gaining physical control. The longer someone resists, the greater the risk of injury, and the more likely officers are to use additional force options to bring the situation under control.
We're recording. Stop. You really hit me? Okay. Stop. Okay, bad. Roll over on your back. Roll over on your stomach.
How the
Roll
hell?
over on your
How I'm
stomach.
gonna do that?
Roll over on your
How
stomach.
I'm gonna do that?
Let go of my thumb.
How I'm gonna
Let
do
go
that?
of me.
How I'm gonna do that?
Roll over.
How I'm gonna do that? How I'm
Roll
gonna do
over.
that?
Roll over.
Okay.
Roll over.
You're getting sued.
The officer is still working to gain control because partial compliance isn't enough to safely complete an arrest. As long as the driver continues resisting, the officer has to keep trying to secure the handcuffs while limiting the opportunity for the encounter to escalate further.
You getting sued.
Put your hands behind your back now.
You getting sued.
Put your hands behind your back.
You getting sued. Don't throw my phone. You getting sued.
Stay right there.
You getting sued. You getting sued. You hit me.
Yeah, I did.
Okay. You getting sued.
Don't get up.
You getting sued.
Don't get up.
The incident ended with the driver being taken into custody after officers were able to bring the situation under control. According to the available case information, the 33-year-old driver was charged with resisting. At this time, the case remains open, and no final court outcome has been reported. What began as a routine traffic stop changed once compliance broke down. From that point forward, the officer's priority became safely regaining control before the situation could escalate further. What are your thoughts on how the officers handled this incident? Let me know in the comments below. Alright, that's the end of today's breakdown. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments, how do you think this situation went down? Did the officers handle it the right way, or would you have done something differently? If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video. It really helps the channel grow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next Bodycam Breakdown.